Alright you guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, it's time to get to work. All the way to work. You tried it out already?
I just put it up to see how much it was going to cover down. So.
Probably not that much, it's a little taller than I expected.
Yeah, it actually goes down to about here.
Oh, that's not bad though.
So, I'll show you.
If anything, we start at the bottom and let the top be the one that's lesser than, and then we can fill that in.
I guess that don't really matter.
So we're trying out our back, well, we're not trying it out yet, but we gotta do a lot of work. We have to clear this whole thing off.
Put like a drop fit here tonight. You can see it better. So,
that'd be nice.
Goes quite a bit. So if we start at the bottom,
I would still need to. Either way, we gotta cut around the outlets, and there's quite a few cutting because there's 4 outlets. Today's vlog is us doing this kitchen, y'all. So we're about to get started by clearing everything off. He's gonna be washing the dishes. I'm not gonna show you that part because that's boring. And I'm gonna clear off the counters. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna actually do it before and after.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else. You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make mistakes. I fall for you every time I try to all I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
All right, I think it's time for a snack break because my head is starting to spin. So that can only mean one thing. That girl hungry.
They can only mean one thing.
I think I should want a little bit of seasoning.
Are they shapes?
Hmm?
Are they shapes? Are they shapes?
You ever had this one?
Oh, pretty sure I did.
There's flowers and.
Okay, yeah, so it's shapes.
You want some?
We go on both sides. So they both go in there. They both can't go in there, right?
My lashes.
Shit me. Oh.